Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have a Chanel unboxing for you. We just come back today that our staycation for 2 nights, and since we drove by around the Manchester, so I stopped by and also uh, get this free item that I like a loyalty card from Dior. So if you are silver, they give you a free. This is Dior and this is Chanel. I did went to Hermes as well, and as usual, none of my I like it's in stores. So even from Chanel that I like, it's not also available in stores. So it probably is. Every time I go there, guys, I cannot get hands on the item that I like. So I just get the small little goods from Chanel. And since I got there, like I mentioned, that I just stopped by get my freebie from Dior Beauty. So this is item in here. It's really nice to give you a shopping bag as well. So this is what it looks like in here. I'm very excited with this because actually I never known about this loyalty card from Dior until I saw to Purse Love. Thank you so much, and I signed up for them, and since then I received like a points, and I am in silver now, guys. I've been buying a lot of a makeup from Dior, but oh my god, I cannot. Okay, there you go. So anyway, I've been buying a lot of beauty products from Dior. I just know just last December that you can join this program and you can have like a points and join the game. So yeah, and I received this free gift from them, and it's, oh my god, I really love it. I love it, guys. You have to join this program with them. And since I am, like I mentioned, since I am silver, they give me a freebies for this. It's really worth it to join. Since if you are a Dior lover, join the loyalty program, because guys, look at this. Look at this beauty, isn't it? This is a bag charm. 3 in here, guys. 3. And a heart, star, and a bee, I think. There you guys. I want to close up to you so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me remove in here. Oh, they have also comes with this one over here. Yeah, just holy mo. This is actually our stop in Manchester to get this free, because I called the customer services. Is gonna take a while to send me, so might as well go get this one. And see, guys, this is, they have the Dior over here, and as well this one in there, Christian Dior, and one over here, Christian, oh, it's just Dior only. This is a purple, blue, and a pink. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this one on my bag charm. Look at that, guys, it's so cute. You should join this program from Dior, because it's really worth it, especially if you are also I think they have a 4 levels, pearl, silver, gold, or platinum, I think. And every time on your birthday you receive a birthday gift, and also VIP, something like that. So yeah, so now let's move on to Chanel. It's been a while since December that I went to Chanel. Oops, it take up my thing over here. So this is the one over here. As you can see, this is small leather goods. So since it's remote, I may another put that over there. So oh my god, I checked the wallet and chains that I liked, and still nothing. Same. see. Care book. I choose this one because I never had this one, and so the one that I purchased from Chanel is this one, the Chanel 19 card holder in rose color in goat skin leather. Oh my god, I really love this. Is the red that I want so bad. Actually, I was getting to get also the another like a pouch, like mini O case, but they don't have a, they have a red, but they don't have a like a calfskin leather or the grind leather. So I picked this one, a goat skin, and I don't think I will have a lambskin. Actually, this is a 29 series, guys. This is quite what is this, 2020. Yeah, it still have this stock over here. And though even it's 2020, but I don't mind because I'm just kidding this, guys, because I like the color, and I think I like good skin than the lambskin. And they have a 1, 2, 3, 4 card slot holder in there. I think the what the classic one card holder is a flat card holder is a 5. This one is 4. This one's made in Italy. Try to remove that one. Let's remove that. And like I said, this is a authenticity card, and they have another over here. So just removing everything, guys, so you can see the beauty of this card holder. I really love the CC and the leather around the CC, and this is a gold hardware. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I got in Manchester from Manchester. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this unboxing. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below sections, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.